How can we remove all the furniture that we have in the interior and get a clean interior space? So for the future, in another tutorial, we will learn how to get a mood board and furnish this space. Or this is called element removal. We're gonna be also discussing, pardon me a second, we're gonna be also discussing how to make element addition. So how can we add an element to our rendering rather than deleting it? All right, so I will refresh Flux and I will take this rendering, put it here, and I'm gonna prompt empty all room furniture like this. I'm just gonna remove the file numbering. Empty the room of all furniture. Create. Okay, so this is what I got. You know, it has removed only the chair, but I will do remove, empty the room from all furniture and see what we will get. And this is what we've got. You see, guys, just a small word affected what we get. So don't get frustrated, you know, keep on trying and save your prompts. So every time you want to just do what you have in mind, you've got the prompt for it. So you don't have to waste credits for it. But it's fine for me. I am using my credits for you guys to understand how can we deal with AI. So that's the first one on how to empty the room from all furniture. Let's see how we can add to our room. So now I will remove this one. I'm not gonna download this because I've already have it here, and I'm gonna delete the prompt, and from here I'm gonna put this image and I'm gonna ask it to add an arabesque carpet to our interior. So I'll take this, copy, paste, add an arabesque carpet horizontally on the floor between the two hallways, matching the vibe of the interior without the comma. So generate. And there we go. Now we've got a carpet in the middle of the hallway. The difference between this image and this image is that I just prompted for the carpet differently. So here I asked it to have a carpet horizontal on the floor between the two hallways, matching the vibe of the interior. No, but this one I asked for an abstract, simple white carpet. So I'm gonna do it for you guys. An arabesque. It's already here. Add a modern white arabesque. You guys see? So this is the only difference that I've done to be able to achieve different carpet look. And you can measure anything upon this. So you can add a couch, you can add a chair, you can add walking people, whatever you guys are aiming to achieve, you can achieve it through prompting it correctly.